pure and undefiled religion before God and the Father is this, to visit the orphans and widows in need. James 1, verse 27.
Raise your voice and shout, come on.
To be a blessing to the orphans and to the widows. God blesses us to be a blessing. It is good to be blessed. It is better to be a blessing. You become a blessing when what God puts into your hands starts overflowing to others. When you begin to reach out to others. Proverbs 19, verse 17, it says, whoever is generous to the poor lends to the Lord, and he will repay him for his deed.
Snatching from his hand, if I just know what me read, that's why I follow.
Decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow
I can never turn back. It's already too late. It won't make sense. Where am I going to? It's already too late. I've already come too far. It's already too late. We won the war. We will spend the billions.
We'll spend the billions.
We will spend for Jesus.
We'll spend for Jesus.
We will shift the culture. We will heal the sick. We will raise the dead. Transform the nation. Till we hear well done. We will fund the war. We will spend the billions. We will spend for Jesus. Till we shift the culture. We heal the sick.
It's our culture that every year we visit orphans. The instruction God gave us in 2013, and which we have been doing. At the end of this month, we will be going to visit the orphans. We are blessed to be a blessing to the orphans and to the widows.